Hey people, it's me, Kira. Hi. So today I am going to be filming a Christmassy, icy, frozen inspired look. I don't really know what I'm going to call this yet. Something along those lines. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is my brows, and I'm going to be doing them off camera. So brows are now done and carved out, and with the concealer, when I carved out my brows, I went over onto my eyelids as well for like a base. So moving on to eyes, this is like transformation. This is where the magic is going to happen. So the palette I'm using is the I Heart Revolution Starry Eyed eyeshadow palette, and this is the one with the like glitter in the front cover, and it moves, as you can see. And I bought this palette specifically for this video, so you're welcome. Gonna be honest, no idea what I'm gonna be doing because I haven't practiced. So to start off with, I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques brush thing. I'm just going to be taking the lightest blue here, which is also more of like a tealy shade, which is at the bottom right, this one. And I'm just going to take this on my brush and just going to pop that into the crease, blend it up and out as well. We are going to be cutting the crease as well, so that's why you kind of want to blend it out a little bit to give it a really nice flick, and then you can kind of see the colours. And the higher you get the better, because we're going to be attempting to draw on my eyes. So you want to try and get as high as possible so that you've got space. Do you know what I mean? Sticking with the same brush because I really like this brush, and it's also going to help the colours have more of a smoother transition between the two of them. I'm just going to be taking the top right shade, which is very similar to the one we just used, but this one should help add like a bit of depth and just a different tone to the look overall. And I'm just working this one deeper into the crease. This is a Morphe brush. I'm going to be taking the I'm going to be taking this really dark shade here. I'm literally don't know where I'm going to put it. Probably on the outer V and a little bit like in, because I'm not cutting the whole crease. It's literally 2 weeks until Christmas. I'm going to take this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush just to blend everything in. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease. I don't want to cut the whole crease. Might even be less than half of the cut crease, but not a quarter. It's going to be like in between. Just going to see how it goes because I didn't really plan this far ahead. So I'm going to take this flat-headed brush, and I'm going to be spraying that with the why do I say that? MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to spray it onto the brush. And I'm going to be putting it in this silver colour up here. Whoops. Now time to ruin it by doing some art. I'm going to be taking this white eyeliner by Rimmel. This is the Precise eyeliner in white. What we're going to do is draw a line from the inner to the outer of where we've done our cut crease. So I'm kind of going to draw like a star and then a line through the middle and then like the lines at the end. Does that make sense? Yeah. So what I've done is I've done like the star and then I've just like put dots around it. I am with the Doo Lashes brand. Luckily they haven't sent me some lashes, I can do a review on them, and it's my first time using their lashes, and they do like, they are 100% genuine mink eyelashes. Mink. And yes, they sent me these ones. These are in D115. If you would like 5% off of the lashes from this company, and I mean they're really good prices anyway, then use the code officialkiralambert for 5% off. So I'm going to take these out, and they come in really cute packaging, so you can just slide them out like so. So what I'm going to do is sneeze. So what I'm going to do is put some glue on the lashes, the Duo Lash Glue. These are amazing lashes, they're so nice. And of course it looks better when I've got a face of makeup on. So now going on to my Sealer One Step Colour Corrector Primer. This is a new one because I ran out of the original one I got, so I bought this one to replace it, and I think, as you know, this is literally my favourite primer because it's so nice on the skin. And different foundation, I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow, and I don't know if you guys know, but I've wanted this foundation for a very long time. And I actually bought it in the Black Friday sales. That's the best time to buy makeup. Like already my eyes just look better now that I've just put foundation on. So now I'm going to conceal, taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. And I'm just going to chuck this under my eyes. This is such a big applicator. Love it. And blend that in. And this beauty blender has already been dampened. I dampened it before I started the video, just because I feel like every foundation and concealer blends in better after you've dampened the blender. That foundation and concealer work really well together, and they give such a nice finish. I'm going to contour using my favourite Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Oh, look at those fingerprints. I'm going to be taking the medium, this is like in the palette is like the shade medium, and I'm going to be taking the colour Chocolate. Now I'm going to be doing highlighter, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting kit, the illuminating palette even. So I'm going to be taking this bottom right shade here. They don't have numbers or names, so I'm just going to say that that's the one I'm using and use it. Got quite a pinky undertone to it, this one. The lips, I don't really want to take the tension off of the eyes, so I've got a nude. I'm going to put a bit of shimmer on the top. So I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Child Star, which I think loads of people like know it. And it's just a really nice nude. For the top of them, I'm going to be putting this MAC lip gloss, some sort of like glass, creamy sheen glass, I think, in the shade Throw a Spare, and it's really nice. So it just adds a really nice shimmer to your lips and makes them look a bit more shiny, Christmassy. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A little something different, a bit more glam, a bit more artsy. I tried my best. Please don't judge. This is the best I can do, but practice makes perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions or anything nice to say, and don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and join my YouTube channel gang, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.